Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your warehouse purchases on the Costco app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see what you purchased on the warehouse. Maybe you purchased something in person and you want to make sure you're checking to see how you have all the items. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log on to the Costco app. Next, click on Account on the bottom middle hand side. Then scroll down and click on Orders and Purchases. And then on the top hand side, you're going to see a toggle button between Online and Warehouse. Click on Warehouse, and then this is going to show you your in-house or warehouse purchases. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your warehouse purchases on the Costco app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.